Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is here in 2025, and it's shockingly slimmer and lighter than ever before, defying expectations for an Ultra phone. This hands-on review reveals the incredible upgrades packed into its comfortable new design, proving that powerful doesn't have to mean bulky for a flagship smartphone. Prepare to be amazed by the game-changing privacy display, a mobile-first hardware feature that prevents prying eyes from seeing your screen, even on specific apps or your lock screen. The S26 Ultra's camera gets a dramatic boost with horizontal lock, keeping your videos perfectly steady no matter how much you tilt, alongside AI Photo Assist for effortless image tweaks. Don't miss out. Check the links in the description to buy the Galaxy S26 Ultra and experience these incredible features for yourself. Samsung's practical AI features like Now Nudge provide real-time suggestions and an upgraded Circle to Search, while new call screening and scam detection offer unparalleled peace of mind on your new mobile device. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra boasts a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and a 5000 mAh battery with rapid 60-watt charging, ensuring top-tier performance all day long. Best of all, despite these massive innovations and performance improvements, the $1,300 price tag remains unchanged from last year's model, making it an incredible value for the best phone of 2025. Get ready for clearer, low-light photos, richer displays with ProScaler, and a smart gallery that organizes your screenshots with AI. Is the Galaxy S26 Ultra the ultimate smartphone upgrade you've been searching for?